Okay, Claude have just released one of the best features of the year. You can actually now give your Claude AI assistant a bunch of incredible skills.
Most people are using Claude at 10% power because they missed this one switch.
You need to go into your capabilities here, and then you basically turn on.
Claude just released something called Skills, and it completely changes how you work. Instead of prompting better every time you train Claude once, you turn Skills on, and Claude remembers exactly how you want things done. Hooks, content, problem solving, all consistent, all repeatable.
File creation and skills. So you'll have this new little thing in capabilities called skills.
But the real leverage starts when you stop doing the setup yourself and let Claude build the skill for you.
How cool is that? Now you're probably sitting there and thinking, wow, what is this skills ND file and how do I create one? Well, what's pretty cool is Claude can just do that for you as well. And so like, here's a little video.
Here's where most people mess this up. Uploading a skill doesn't make Claude an expert. The real power is in the instruction. This is where you define how an expert thinks, decides, and delivers.
We're going to actually create a skill to show you how this works. But you can just go and ask Claude now to create skills and it knows what you mean. And so there you go. We're going to run through this process, so I won't do any more.
And once you understand how to teach Claude properly, the next step turns instructions into something real.
And so what you're going to have to get really good at is understanding how to teach Claude a new skill through prompting. But we're going to do it a couple of really easy examples.
Writing instructions is only half the job. To activate the skill, it has to be loaded correctly. Right format, right name, right upload. This is the step where ideas become actual capabilities.
To follow. And again, I think this is really cool because you can actually arm Claude with any number of skills now.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
And it can do that work at an expert level for you as long as you know how to create the right skills files and teach Claude how to be.
And once the skill is loaded, Claude stops waiting and starts choosing.
To download this, what you need to do is you create your skill, you ask it to make sure it's in this format, then you download it, and then you have to zip it up and call it, make sure that the skill is called skill.
You don't tell Claude which skill to use. It scans your request and selects the right one automatically. No commands, no micromanaging. That's the difference between a tool and an assistant.
.md, you zip that up and then you upload it, and then I will show you what it should look like. And so when you upload it here, you have to upload it as a zip file that contains that name. So you have to rename it to make sure it's skill.md. You have a zip file.
And when you give Claude more than one skill, you stop getting answers and start getting outcomes.
Post. Oh, here we go. Consult his skill framework before crafting compelling hook.
This is the autonomy moment. Claude checks what you asked, finds the right skill, and follows your rules. That means consistent quality, not random output. And the more you use it, the more predictable your results become.
I'll create an incredible hook for your post. Let me first check the hook creator skill. Now we have a hook skill. And anytime I want to get a hook,
Now let me show you the real point, using skills to solve an actual business problem.
All right, so I've done the same thing. I've downloaded it, I've uploaded it, and now we can actually go use it. So let's use our new skill. Help me solve this problem. I want to post a tutorial I did on Substack to my LinkedIn audience. But external links reduce engagement when added to LinkedIn posts. Help me solve this problem.
Here's the payoff. You build a skill like a mini problem solver, something you can reuse every day. Then you feed it a real issue like, I want to post my Substack tutorial on LinkedIn, but links kill engagement. And Claude doesn't just give ideas, it gives structured options, carousel, LinkedIn article, link in comments, teaser strategy.
Using our mini problem solving skill. Okay, so it did use it using the mini problem crystallizer skill. Sometimes you actually have to coax it to use it, I found. So maybe if it's just not named really good. Problem is pretty generic when I ask for it to solve a problem. And so here we go. It's going to run through the same methodology in that skill. It's going to go through the root cause.
That's what skills really are. Not better writing, but a repeatable system for decisions at scale. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.